Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video here on my channel. We're starting this at the house, but basically I'm gonna hit the Jurong East because I'm going to do a full ride on NSL. I'm gonna be doing a full NSL ride today. I'm gonna be recording it in this style. I'm not really going to record the full ride because it's gonna be 1 hour, so I'll just record bits of it of the full ride. So I'm gonna be taking full ride, and then what was Transport Bay and Marina South Pier. There are like 11 non-KSF, so we have to see like which non-KSF we should take because there's too many non-KSF for me to take. So I will have to see and decide which one to take. I'll take to Jurong East and maybe tap out, eat something. Or I'm trying to see maybe we can take all the 3 gens to MSP because all 3 gens are on NSL. Alright guys, since there are so many non-KSF, I have to pick one to choose. So I think I'm gonna pick 121, 122, the full day one, which will reach MSP around like 12, which is a good time I think. I think I'll take that. Pick 121, 122 round trip from Khatib to Jurong East and then back. Hopefully I don't overstay. I could have took 329, but 329 is a bit early. By the time I reach MSP is like 11 I think. I mean, I can do 329. I think I'll do 121, like round trip. But then 329 is a little earlier, and then I also can take 071, which is a little bit earlier. But I don't want to keep taking 071, so I prefer to take 121. I think I'll take 121, 122, okay. Unless there's a SRE here, because 207 that reach a timing which is around like 11 later at MSP. So I think what is suitable would be 121. 329 is suitable though. So guys, this is basically 121, 122. I bought it now. I hit southbound. Won't hit southbound. I'm gonna wait for it to turn back to northbound and then I'll take it. But it's 121. That's 081, 082 guys. That's 081 with the Bosch ad. The Bosch ad. It's a nice ad. It's called Bosch train. It was on EWI literally yesterday and then it swapped over. I like 081, I can tell by the stickers. Here comes 329, 330. Maybe I should take it. Maybe I'll take 329 like a few stops. Or maybe I'll take a Jurong East and round trip. And then we'll intercept 121 to go all the way. I think we'll do that. Alright guys, so here's 207, 208. I got out of Yishun, my southbound. And then we'll intercept 121, 122. And then we'll take it all the way. But I'll go catch the step up first. I'll take this. This is 207. 207 208 basically has these different ECB stickers, the light green ones. But yeah, it will be train. This train in fact was almost my rep. It was almost my rep. Alright guys, so I'm on 112 as I saw the clips. I kept tapping in there, I'm scared. Like right before the train I tapped up again because I was scared that I'm going to overstay. So we're going to be taking this one to Jurong East before the reverse. When it reverse, we're doing the full ride. From Jurong East the full ride will start. And we're going all the way to Marina South Pier. Let's go. A bit strong of an acceleration on 2122, one car.
Next station.
Kind of strong. I think after it's overhauled that time, the motor, I don't know where it went. Pretty good. Still a decent strong. This station has strong motor. 021 is so much very old. Update, we're at Sembawang North. Alright guys, so we're at Jurong East. Now we're gonna do the trip. Like right now I'm gonna do the whole thing from I'll update you guys on the way. Alright guys, I hope I don't get the overstay fine because I cut in earlier at like 20. I need to tap out back 12:20 is the rate length to exit. So I'm at Canberra right now. The deceleration of this train is pretty good. Got quite a bit to go. I think almost halfway. There's the deceleration that I record. I just hope. Now we're in the underground sections. Underground's the best for snowboarding. Very good snowboard shots. Way in where no Alright guys, you know what? So I'll go Marina Bay. I'm not gonna go all the way to Marina South Bay. I'll go Marina Bay. We basically did both. We basically did the whole trip. Congrats. Alright, apparently I have to take the circle line to. Alright guys, so I'm going to be heading to. I finished at MB. Alright guys, so basically I came here earlier, thought I missed the train, so I went back to MBS. In the end I didn't miss the train, there's a few trains behind. So hotel's very wasted, but it's okay. We're gonna wait at Marina Bay here. Wait for the next train to come and the next train to come. Alright, T240 already at Marina Bay. So now T241. I think 246 has a better chance. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead to MSP and watch because 240 will arrive. Does anyone miss the Westinghouse signaling break? Hopefully 242, 246, 247. Hopefully all these southbound slots will have at least one. Okay, at least one. T242 got swapped with 410. So 242 was 003. Yeah, so I got it correct. 242, that's something. 242 003 swapped to 410. 407, one swap to the other one. So I think they're back to back. Alright guys, so new strong motor on the train. I'm on board this. It's swapped to 410. Is that motor trash? Now all the sets are motor trash. 04. Very good train now. Here comes 030. No, that's 071. Wait, how is 07? How the hell is 071 in front? Wait a minute, no, it just goes to platform A. It just went to platform A immediately. Okay. Oh my god guys, because this one, it just came on here. So this one's in front. So this one is it's swap. The train runs swap. Because it like immediately came here. It definitely swapped. No way it's in front. Because it never went through here. It just like immediately came here. Yeah, so now it's behind. Earlier this was in front. And then this was in front, the other one was behind. Literally 3 back to back. 071, 003, and now 039. I don't know, I think it's from UPD, but I don't know how it comes. 4 nothing. 440 is 235, which will run very late night. Like probably like 1 AM return. Very late night. So we have to wait for it. If 252 is something, I will literally freak out. So guys, from what I heard, 442 last train to Jurong East 079 080. What I heard is 121 swap. Okay. We'll see, I think it's coming already. Wait. No. Okay, 43 what? This one going, okay, that's because there's the train outside in the 247 has arrived. I think we'll check 252. 252 is basically the good train. 252 is what? No. 252 is I think 063 433 is swapped from 437, yeah. So it's coming soon. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait for 063. It'll be coming as 063, 064, 252. Wait. No, this is T205. Sorry. T205, 007, 008. Pretty strong trash there. No, the acceleration. Wow, nice. That one is like 30. So yeah. I got caught again for recording, but crossover was pretty nice. I like 063. Now I'm gonna have to wait for the other trains. I'm gonna wait for like many more trains. Okay guys, so I'm waiting because I got caught by the staff. Again. So I'm gonna wait for 411, which will become 411 079 080. No, not it's 222 now. I think they'll train behind because it got swapped from 442 to 411 to that one. So I need to wait for it now. Now I would have been last train to Jurong East. Last train to Ang Mo Kio was 063, the one I took. Alright guys, 235, 236 has arrived. I think I'll take this train back. It's finally arrived. I'm excited to take it. I like 236 honestly. Kind of. Actually it's a pretty good train. Not gonna lie. It's a good train. Alright guys. So I'm on 235, 236 now. Yeah. It's a good, I think good moto. That's pretty good moto though.